Hi everyone. I want to quickly bring us to another trade today. Why I'm so excited to bring us to this trade, and especially for those who are already trading in the forex markets. This is GBP JPY, which is British pound Japanese yen. See this candlestick here. This candlestick here have actually tested a very strong resistance point, and it's the bears are pushing it down. I am heavily my hypothesis or theory is built upon a point that this movement is going to go about 560 points or pips down. So you can imagine 560 pips, even if you are using, let's say, 0.1 lot size, that's $560 you're making. If you are using 0.05 lot size, that's about $280. Then if you are using bigger lot size like 10 one lot size has about $5,600, like that. Now, but let me jump back into it. So I want to place this trade. I'm so excited, but I want to see a confirmation. I want to see a confirmation after this bullish candlestick that is being driven down by the bears. I want to see a confirmation, because it's not really good to always jump in, because I did my calculation. I realized that the amount of money I'll put in here expecting a reversal of this movement will be pretty much. So I just decided that let me wait for a confirmation. Now, let me take us to the 1 month time frame and show you something. This is a 1 month time frame. Now you can see this market is very, very saturated. Very, very saturated. As you can see here, it's saturated. Look at the top. You see a shadow. You see a shadow. Now let me take you to the weekly time frame. Excuse me. This is a weekly time frame. You can see the retracement. Now look at this particular section here, where this was a bullish candle movement that was driven down by the bears when it got to this resistance level. Can you see that this bullish candlestick have also approached that strong resistance level and was resisted? Now let me show you the weekly time frame. This is the daily time frame rather. Now this is the daily time frame. You can see what happened here. The bulls went up, but were heavily resisted by the resistance zone, and then the bears now started coming down, coming to retest this level again. They were heavily resisted, and they are going down. So this is the daily time frame. Now let me show you the 4-hour time frame. Okay, 4-hour time frame. Now see, look at it here. The bulls were going, resisted. The bears came down. All of a sudden, they are coming up again to retest this same level, and has been resisted again. This is the point whereby I am so eager to jump into this market, but I want to see a confirmation. I don't want to just jump into the market. I want to see a confirmation. I am like 95% now confident in entering this trade, but I want to see a confirmation. So what I did now, and that thing again is, before the confirmation, I come to my 1-hour time frame. You can see this is the place now. This is the place where there is heavy resistance. You can see. Now coming here, this is already bearish. It's going in a bearish movement. But I'm not sure whether this bearish movement can turn to a bullish movement and start going up again. That is why I need a confirmation candlestick on my 4-hour time frame. Now, as it is this way, as it's coming down this way, immediately I see a bearish candlestick formed on the by the side of this bullish candlestick, you know, I'm still perfecting by God's grace. A bearish candlestick that comes here inside of this bullish candlestick is going to look to me like a harami movement. Immediately I see it, I will short this market. I'll short the market. In order not to lose much money, in order to place too much stop loss, I'll probably take my stop loss a little bit up here and then short the market. Once I short the market, I'll start waiting to pull out the money that I put in and then see how the market goes. So as you can see my analysis, this is, you look at the monthly time frame, look at the daily, weekly time frame, look at the daily time frame. You need to be sure that three of them are in tangent, they are speaking the same language. Then you now look at your 4-hour time frame where you want to take the trade, and then you need to have a confirmation. I can place this trade now, immediately it hits 10 p.m. on Sunday, but I want a confirmation. A confirmation is very important so that you don't get taken out on your stop loss and you lose money. I've already seen what's happening in the 1 hour time frame, but it still does not confirm my entry into this position. So I need to see the next candlestick on this 4-hour time frame. If the next candlestick is bullish, it simply means I have to relax. The market is still moving up. But immediately it is bearish candlestick, it's going to confirm to me that this market is moving down, and I will short the market. I'll take a healthy stop loss, not stop loss that'll be so much, take a healthy stop loss and short the market. And when I short the market, I'm shorting the market all the way down like this. I need at least 400 to 500 pips movement. So that's the analysis I want to do today on GBP JPY. I just saw this and I became excited. I started, let me explain it so that those who understand can take the information or the knowledge there and run with it. Thank you and God bless.